striking modern 2-story built by Maynard Construction. This home features 3-bedroom 2.5 bath, large kitchen west/custom cabinets, granite counters, island bar, stainless steel appliances, separate dining room. Master suite has a separate shower and garden tub. Laundry room on upper level near bedrooms. Covered patio for outdoor entertaining. Very convenient to Fort Campbell, schools, shopping, and dining out. Seller to provide $12,000 in concessions towards rate buydown or closing costs. No HOA. Actual address is 1333 Shaughnessy Street.